In this demo, we will see how we can look up asset and location information in our integrated as-built and as-designed 3D models, then update this data in our smart asset management solution. Our example will split this into 4 key process steps as shown on the screen. A work order is raised for an asset located in the plant room, as seen here in Chris Devine's Start Center homepage. By clicking on the work order, we can see details of the location and asset. To see where in the building the asset is located, Chris can click on the Building Model tab. At this point, Chris has the choice of visualizing the asset and location in 2 types of format. One in reality capture taken from a scan of the room, the other in a 3D BIM model, created during the design and build phase of the project. By selecting the top option, we can see the pump asset where an IoT sensor has triggered our work order. Information of the asset and work order can be seen in the information boxes. This is the same information as stored in the integrated asset management solution. Now that Chris can see where the asset is located, he can also look around the location at other information that he may find useful. Here, Chris decides to check the room dimensions that has been requested by his FM colleagues. As our reality capture is accurate, we can see the room is 10 meters by 5 meters. Once this information is gathered, we can switch view modes and look at the location and asset in the 3D BIM model. Here we can see the same asset and location information, but in the 3D BIM model. We can quickly recognize that this as-designed view is less intuitive than the reality capture model. Nevertheless, exactly the same information is available for the engineer. By switching to X-ray mode, we can see where the plant room is located in the building. Back in the Asset Management solution, we can look up our location and go to the Specifications tab, where we can use the information gathered from the reality capture model and update for the FM team. Chris can then continue with managing the work order and assign appropriate resource. This topic is covered in more detail in a separate video. Some of the benefits that this type of integrated solution can offer are listed above. Other key benefits include asset data cleansing, a process that will help the building operators identify and rectify any potential discrepancies between the as-designed BIM model compared to the as-built reality capture model. As the building ages, data from the Revit model typically becomes obsolete, though by integrating reality capture scans and a smart asset management solution, data can be kept up to date and relevant throughout the building's whole asset lifecycle. This is particularly useful when the models and associated data are needed for future renovations or refurbishments. Ultimately, providing the ability to locate and fix assets quicker will ensure improved availability and uptime, and therefore maximize and improve productivity and staff and patient experience. Feel free to pause the video to read the other benefits listed. All benefits, savings, and ability to respect SEAM principles are independently verified by AIP, the Academic and Industry Partnership.